Welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are all doing well. So today I wanted to do a makeup look revolving around eyeglasses. Because I wear it on a daily basis, it got me thinking, how would I normally do my makeup with my glasses on? I've never done a tutorial and I can't believe I haven't done a tutorial yet. So if you guys like it, please stay tuned and keep on watching. So I've already moisturized my skin off camera. What I'm doing now is applying my primer by NYX, and it's basically a pore filler primer, and that's gonna give an even surface, so when you do apply your foundation or tinted moisturizer, it glides on much smoother and it doesn't leave any lumps or cakes. By the way, before I forget, do not forget to hit that notification bell to stay tuned for the latest video that will be coming your way soon. So I tend to get this ugly discoloration after I shave around my lips. So what I'm doing is taking my red concealer and applying that all around to help give an even coverage when I apply my foundation later. So now I'll be applying my foundation with my beauty blender. This time I did not wet my beauty blender because I want all the coverage I can get from my foundation. And the foundation I'm using today is the BareMinerals Complexion Rescue Tinted Moisturizer in number 5, which is natural. If you've seen my videos in the past, you'll know that this is my go-to foundation. It is so light, it's beautiful, and I usually combine it with my Bare Pro powder to help give extra coverage. And the person that inspired me to do this is Whaley. Girl, you know I am obsessed with you and I really look up to you, so thank you so much. So I tend to not get enough sleep, so concealer is definitely the way to go. I'm gonna apply that to my under eye with the same beauty blender, and it's just gonna make this look more awake, bright, and alive. Now it's time for baking. I'm going to be using my loose powder by Mercier to help my under eye set, and on top of that, it makes my makeup last longer. I can't believe it took me a while to really get into baking, but I am now happy that I am because it makes a huge difference. For the brows, I'm going to start off with a clear gel to help my hair stay in place because it goes in all kinds of directions and it's not cute. After you're done, go ahead and take a spoolie and just brush your hair into place to help set the hairs, and that way when you apply your pomade or pencil, it will help guide. Because I have round glasses, I like to frame my glasses with straight brows because I feel like it's more youthful. And honestly, it might look crazy in the beginning, but after a few blending and building, it's gonna look better, trust me. With a skin color shadow, go ahead and apply that to your lid to help cover all the veins and the dark spots on your lid so that when you do apply a really nice color, it'll come out bright and vibrant. With the color Espresso and using my fluffy brush, I'm going to apply that to the natural hollows of my eyes and just blend it out slowly and build the coverage as needed. And just know it's okay to be heavy-handed because when you put your glasses on, it's just gonna make your whole eye look toned down and calm. Trust me. If you have hooded eyes like me, it's crucial to apply your eyeshadow with your eyes open because when your eyes are open, it instantly shows you where your eye starts folding and it makes it much easier for you to apply your eyeshadow toward that natural crease and also help you build that coverage you need. Well, so when you do keep your eyes open, it shows the shadow and it does not waste your effort. So it was a bad idea for me to get rid of the excess powder off of my brush in front of the camera because now you can see it all over my lens. But yeah, you know what the next step is. It's just dust away all that extra powder. Taking a neutral shimmer, apply that with your ring finger to the clean areas of your eyelids to help brighten up the eyes. With a clean fluffy brush, go ahead and blend out all the edges and make sure they're even. To add a little bit of pop, go ahead and apply a shimmer toward the inner corners of your eyes. Now it's time to line the eyes. I'm gonna wing it out thick because when I wear my glasses, it's just gonna tone the whole entire look down anyway, so why not make it dramatic? I've tried so many eyeliners in the past, but my all-time favorite is the Marker Felt Tip Eyeliner by e.l.f. It makes eyelining for me so much easier and it just makes it faster and I can do this literally in my sleep. It's that easy, guys. Now it's time to curl your lashes and get ready for mascara and false lashes. For me, I'm not going to be using a full-on lash band. I'm going to cut my lash in half and only use the outer end as a Demi lash because it's going to interfere when I wear my glasses. So now I'm going to be using the Better Than Sex Mascara by Too Faced. By now, I should have the full size since I use it a lot, but I don't have the time. I work a lot, so this will do for now until I get my hands on the full size one. don't forget to apply mascara to the lower lash line because it definitely makes a big difference. And just know, your bottom lash does need a lot of love too. Now it's time to contour the face. Not only will it help bring color back to your face, but it will also help define and make it look more flattering. With a smaller brush, go ahead and apply the same bronzer shade to the sides of your nose to help define and make your nose look taller. With your two middle fingers, go ahead and apply the highlighter shade to the highest points of your face. The reason why I'm using my fingers is because I want the color to really warm up to my skin, and that is definitely like the best way to go. And then just go over it with a brush. Now it's time to line your lips. I tend to neglect this step because I tend to forget, but it is a good habit because when you do apply your lipstick over it, it definitely makes a big difference when the lip liner is like your guideline. I decided to go with a bold lip color because it's going to definitely stand out along with my glasses and just makes the whole entire look sexy and sultry. To lock your whole entire look in place, set it with a setting spray and the look will be complete. I hope you guys enjoyed my tutorial. Stay tuned for more, subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell for more videos coming your way soon. I'll see you next time. Bye.